research in advance what is expected of the particular symposium or seminar. You should have an idea before you go or you get inside the seminar hall. Okay? Dapat pagpunta mo, mag-ready na mo, no? And the participation is really expected of the seminar or symposium. Because you have your idea, on what question, on what to clarify. Then you have to silence your devices on your cell phones. Almost say in your classroom, you have to put in silence, not use your devices. Turn it off, or put on your phone, or put off your phone on the silent mode to avoid distractions. At least you can have that idea. So during the event, during the seminar, be attentive and engaged. You have to listen actively quickly, then take notes and engage time to eye contact with the speaker. You have to listen to the speaker, whatever instructions or whatever words given by the speaker. Then you have to maintain time to eye contact. Do not skip ever you are in the seminar. Di madalakan ko na sa seminar, so listen, get something in order to improve your office or your company. So you have to listen carefully. And you have to follow the speakers. Follow the speakers. Avoid clapping or speaking over the presenter. So please do not ask questions whenever the speaker is giving his speech. You have to wait because he will give you a time to ask clarification or question. You can interrupt the speaker. Then you have to use the polite language. You ask the speaker. Ask questions or make comments. Be respectful and be professional. Okay? Hindi man po siya hindi ka na ipagkapat. If ever you have questions, you have to ask questions in a nice way and in a professional way. You have to leave the proper time to ask questions. Then you have to limit the conversation with your seatmates. You have to limit conversation with your seatmates just to avoid disturbances. Then follow the event rules. Stick to the 5 minutes for question and answer. Because you will be given a time for question and answers there. Sometimes the speaker will say, so for 15 minutes I get in time, you can ask me your clarification from the schools and other topic. So you have to participate as well. Oh, I said to my sometimes there's a question just listen to the things that I use. So hindi ko magsalita. And this one, please avoid eating inside the hall, the section hall. Avoid eating. Ano yung mga decisions sa bago ninyo, kapitay sa speaker. You know what, mga effective speakers na po, whether ito ba naman eating. Whenever I need to speak, or I'm going to stop, then you have to follow the section techniques.